Wait. Hey, family, how you doing? Chaplain Dr. Monica Young Andrews here. And I am excited because I am doing a live, and this is my first live doing the Divine Wealth and Wine Tips. So I'm going to be coming to you hopefully once a week, maybe a couple times a week, just when I'm having conversations with people and I'm really like hearing in their head what's happening, what they're thinking. I'm going to come and share things with you, tips that can really help and change the way that we think so that we can really increase the money that's coming back to us, the money that's in our pockets, and the taxes, the funds. I'm going to talk to you about taxes today, actually. Taxes, your tax refund. So I hear people saying, the tax refund. Hey, Irvin, how you doing? Happy Sunday to everyone. Welcome, Alfred. Hey, Vaughn. How are you? I'm excited to be here. I'm going to share about taxes, like your income taxes. So this is a time when people are getting their taxes done and their refunds and so forth. Now, when you get a tax refund, that's a good thing. It's a good thing because people have money coming back and they can do different things with it, can't they? But the question I've asked this question to a good dozen people this year, and they couldn't answer this question. So when you get a refund back, okay, that does mean that you paid taxes. So my question is, how much did you pay in taxes? Like, how much tax did you actually pay to the federal government? How much tax did you pay to the state? And I know there's some states that don't pay tax, which is a great thing. Delaware, Texas, Nevada. I know there's some. There might be some other ones out there, but just off the top of my head. But they couldn't answer that question. And I'm like, okay, wow. So you really don't know how much you're paying in taxes. Whenever you get a refund, understand if you're getting like a nice $13,000 refund check or $5,000 or $5,650, $5,650 refund check. What I know for a fact is you're paying more than that in taxes. Yeah, way more than that in taxes. So people aren't thinking about that. And I want you all to really start thinking about that, because what is happening is, and I have no judgment. All I'm doing right now is giving knowledge and information, getting us to think a certain way, okay? Because we're giving an interest-free loan to the Internal Revenue and to the state, interest-free. So you get a $13,000 refund check. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, you got $13,000 to do whatever you choose to do. But that means that you've left more than $13,000 either with the IRS, the federal government, or with the state government, because you paid that or more than that in taxes for your sweat, your equity throughout the year. So, and some people say, you know what, I need to do it that way because I'm not disciplined enough to take my money and do what I need to do with it during the year. Okay, I get that. Okay. However, there are ways that you can manage that and manage it such that you and your family can benefit off of those funds. This whole live right now is, because I'm not going to take a lot of time, it's Sunday evening, but I want you to think, like, I want to know, how much did you really pay in federal tax? How much did you really pay in state tax? I mean, I would like y'all to share that, okay? Share some numbers, share how much. And you can share, DM me, you can, we can have a conversation about it, whatever the case may be. But I need you to start really thinking about it. People are like, oh, I got this money back. And it's your money, first of all, because you worked hard for it. And then secondly, you got that money back, but how much did you leave with the government? And that money that you got back, or you're getting back from your tax refund. Hey, Gordon, what's up, brother? I'm coming to Pennsylvania. We're going to have to talk. Hey, James. You see that that money that you're getting back, that money is basically the return from what you let them borrow interest free. So where can you go get an interest free loan? 0% interest. Like you get a loan and then you're making the payments back and there's no interest to it. Not too many places, huh? Not too many places. Yeah. So please think about that. Think about that very seriously. Of course, I'm just sharing a little bit here now. If you know me well, you know that I have some ways to work with you and some things to help you think and do something differently. I'm not just about putting things out there. I'm about solutions. I'm very solution oriented. Okay? When it comes to dealing with situations. And I want to make sure that my people, not my people, like, power to the people. Okay? I know my culture, my African American, all that. I get all that. But my people, meaning my brothers and sisters, the ones that when we cut, we all bleed red. You follow me? So it doesn't matter with the skin color. I know there's two sets of information out there. It's for the informed and the uninformed. I was born on the uninformed. God just put me in a position to be informed. That's a tip. So again, divine wealth and wine. I call it wealth and wine because right before I have my glass of wine, I try to do my red wine. And this time I got some chocolate. It's Sunday. Red wine and chocolate. See my cup? Miss Elaine, one of my clients, gave this to me, my glass, rather. It says, don't ask. Wait, what does it say? Don't ask, bad day and good day. And every day is a good day for me. It doesn't matter. Just to let you know, because that's a choice. So I'm having my red wine and my chocolate, but I wanted to make sure I shared that with you all. I will be coming on doing lives, Divine Wealth and Wine. Hopefully you all can join me sometimes. Divine Wealth and Wine. Again, how much are you paying in taxes to the federal government? How much are you paying in taxes to the state? I don't want you just to consider your refund. I want you to really answer that question, okay? Answer that question, because you're paying something. Make sense, y'all? Hey, Patrice. Hey, Gina. Mwah. We got to connect. Hey, Gardner. How you doing? Hey, Debbie. I'm trying to say, hey, Gordon. You said nope. Okay, and no. I love it. Hey, James, Johnny. Welcome. Has anybody gotten their refund back yet? Yep, that's right. Get your wine out. A glass of red wine is good. The Bible says, now I'll be 55 this year, so it just says don't drink too much wine. That means that we're supposed to have something to keep us calm and yeah. So I'm working on that. The wine, the water, and the tea. I do well with the water. Debbie and I, we do the tea. Excellent. Okay? So good. I appreciate that, Yvonne. You're so welcome. Yeah, feel free to DM me and let me know. We can have a conversation more about that, because we have to really start thinking about, this is voting year. The administration is going to change, and what I want people to be in a position where it doesn't matter who is president of the United States, whether it's Republican or Democrat. If you are using principles that the informed are taught, the conversations that they have at their dinner tables, okay, are different than our conversations. If you're doing that and you're positioning yourself that way already, then what that means is you don't have to worry about who is president, Republican, Democrat, taxes, all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Wouldn't that be a wonderful life? Of course it would. All right, y'all. I'm not going to hold you. Enjoy your Sunday. Hopefully this helps lots of people. Hey, David, welcome. Hopefully you can watch that. And again, DM me, or if you have my cell number, it's all on my page. So you can reach out to me, text. I'm the best at texting. I'm a master texter. So feel free to text a sister. Okay, you'll get a response faster than if you DM me, probably. All right? But we'll talk about how much you're paying in your taxes, federal tax, state tax, and what your refunds are. All right, y'all. Good night. Much love. Let's just say cheers to a great day. March 1st. All right. That's it, Yvonne. Good night.